Hey guys, and welcome back to Star Stable. Whereas we were just in Silverglade Manor and talking to this cardboard, and it said that a movie is being shot here. And yeah, so now we're just at Talia. Charisma, athleticism, sensuality, gravitas. The role I'm looking to fill is guaranteed an Oscar nom. That's right. I'm looking for the superstar horse who will play Tintoretto, Centerfella's fearless steed. How would you like to be part of a cinematic history? I have the perfect role for you. The role you were born for, darling. You can be my new assistant number 3. Okay. You can start by collecting casting sheets from a few last-minute candidates who are waiting outside. Perhaps one of them will have the star power we're looking for. Okay. You heard the girl, Spirit? Tan scribbled her name on the sheet hastily. Apparently her horse's name is Hieronymo. Cute, that's so cute. Lily Bones, her horse is an Atlantic mare named Hafanakapla. From something. Sorry, guys. This person is probably a doctor or lawyer in the real life. The she is completely illegible. Okay. Let's have a look at these casting sheets. A beautiful Blythe Atlantic, not the most obvious pick, but she's got star potential. And who's this handsome Ebony Lipizzaner? Total Marini idol material. And lastly, we have a white Welsh pony. Do they even read the casting call? I guess the horses have to be black. Lily Bone and Tan, are those stallions a stage name? Oh, those are the riders. Very well. Tell them the great Thalia will see their horses now. Okay, let's go, Spirit. Of course we made the cut. Like Centerella, the Bobcat girls are champions of justice and generosity. It is only natural one of our horses should play her noble Tintoretto. If only Loretta's horse were black, then she could be in the spotlight. Though I'm not worthy, I cannot let the Bobcats down. Wish me luck. How did it go? Did it go well? Maybe? For real? They want to see us? Hey, yo, that's awesome. Honestly, I only applied because the Bobcats were sending someone, and I knew it would get Loretta worked up to know there was a chance she would lose to a bulldog. Bulldogs. Woof. Hey, yo, let's do this. Okay, Bobcat and Bulldog. Okay. Spirit, did you know about this? I didn't. There are no assistants allowed in the room during auditions, so you'll have to wait out here. Let's see if either of these horses will be our Tintoretto. She looks reassured. 10 minutes later. Dun dun dun. Wait, Tan, are you okay? Okay, oh, okay, next horse. What? The rider, lost horse. Okay, trotting. Okay. Well, not an Icelandic, but okay. 10 minutes later. Whoa! Thalia, are you being a bit too harsh here? Thalia, what the hell? I think you're being too harsh, Thalia. Like, a lot too harsh. Awful! From gait to grooming, everything was off. Not even the great Thalia could coach them into being our Tintoretto. I don't know why we've been holding these auditions when it's obvious no horse can live up to the perfect stallion I saw by the beach. There I was, at Fort Pinta, doing a little location scouting, and I saw him. A vision of a bony majesty. It was like Tintoretto had galloped out of the comics and into my heart. I must have that horse for the movie. Assistant number 3. New orders. Forget these other applicants. You must find that perfect black stallion. I think there was a girl with him. Drop everything and head to Fort Pinta at once. Okay, you heard the crazy screaming lady. Let's go, Spirit. Spirit's a wild horse, so he knows exactly where to go and all the secret passageways, I guess you could say. But we're lazy. Probably doesn't like this, but he's gonna have to... He's just gonna have to live with it. That we're taking the trailer. Dude. What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, anyway. Fort Pinta, yes, we are very lazy, so we are going to go over to Fort Pinta. Beep, beep. Let's go, Spirit. Okay, we have to go to a beach, so let's go to the beach. We're gonna ask around for people, or let's oh. And we first need to go talk to James. Of course we do. Sorry, Spirit, that was my fault. We might even do the Fur Growth Championship. Maybe. What? What? Spirit! It can't be true. You've got to be joking. You're riding Spirit. Wow! You're so cool. Sorry, I'm totally starstruck. This is the best day of my life. I think I'm going to cry. I got to meet Spirit. I never thought I would get to meet him. I actually have to be player level 9 for this, but you know, it works too. Oh, I'm sorry, Tori, I didn't know you had a quest for us. Thank you, Emma. Thank you for letting Sally and I meet Spirit. You have no idea how much this means to us. Take this. It's the least we can do as a thank you for actually getting to meet him. This is the best day of my life. Okay. We're good. Now let's go talk to James. Sorry about that, Thalia. We got a bit distracted. Now, didn't we, Spirit? With some of your fans. Mystery horse. Those crazy movie people sent you? Let me guess. They want yours truly to plan the cunning Duca Arlecchino. It's the role I was born to play. Cinderella's arch nemesis and a certified heartthrob. Just wait till I tell Alex I'm gonna be a movie star. Oh, you're looking for a girl with a horse? Well, we have plenty of those, and you and Spirit being the most obvious. All jokes aside, though, I have an idea who you're talking about. Okay. Down by the beach. There's definitely a girl and there's definitely a horse. I'm 65% sure that the girl is pretty new here and likes to ride down at the beach during the day. I don't remember her name, but her horse is breathtaking and the two are quite the team. I suggest you go down to the beach. Talk to a couple of people. Maybe they know where exactly to find her. You heard James, Spirit. Let's go. Let's go. Leah, you are making us run around Jorvik. Or making Spirit run around Jorvik. I'm just sitting on his back, you know. No offense, of course, Spirit. Okay. Hello, person. Did you see a person? A girl, you say? Yeah, I saw her close by down at the beach. They probably won't know who she is. It must have been on the way to her Giles tomb that I saw her the other day, I think. Giles tomb. They probably need to get down. They probably won't know because it's so far away. Yeah, I have no idea who you're talking about. Does the like chair thing come up? Oh, okay. Sorry, Spirit. Improve. Yeah, I saw her. She rides a beautiful black horse. I think it was down further this path. Okay, do we see anyone? No, Vanessa Beachflower. What's up with you? Are you chilling in the sun? Oh, okay. Person, hello. Horses accompanied by riders are welcome to bathe and swim here as much as they like. Just try not to splash anyone. Haha, Spirit, we're gonna be evil. I'm a tourist. Maybe you should ask someone from around here. Oh, it's a Lusitano! Oh my god, you can't do this to me! I love the Lusitanos. Oh my god, I just remembered. Oh my god, this Lusitano is the black Lusitano, and the black oh wait, but is it the old black Lusitano? Because they just let out 3. Okay, this is the old Lusitano. Hola! Are you here to enjoy the beach as well? What's that? You want to know about my horse? I would be happy to introduce you. This is Ciro. He is a Lusitano and my best friend. We just arrived from Portugal. Back home he used to compete in working equitation. Do you have that here in Jorvik? It is very unique. It's a very unique tradition. Sorry about this, guys. Think. Trail parkour where you open doors and work the garrocha with dressage elements. It takes a horse as noble and willing as a Lusitano to master this. I hope that someday you can try it yourself. Why are you interested in Ciro? You're shooting a movie and want Ciro to play the hero's horse? Fascinating. He's a very handsome boy, isn't he? Ciro may be beautiful, but he's a working horse first and foremost. He and I work part-time for the ranchers in the area to cover expenses while we train. Okay, I just realized I've been saying his name wrong the whole time. It's Ciro, not Ciro. Speaking of which, I'm late for my shift at Steve's farm. I would like to tag along. We can talk about Ciro and your request. No, don't run away! No. Come on, Spirit, run! Run after the girl who's running away on the black Lusitano. Run! Where is she going? I don't even think she's going in the right way, to be honest. Yeah, sorry. Spirit, my fault. Steve's farm. Pay with your big shillings. Beep beep. That was so on time. Steve's farm. Hello. Hello, girl. There you are. And we're jumping. Hola, you came. I am glad. It can be hard to meet people when your days are full of work and training. I think perhaps you and I can be friends. Okay, we're going to leave it at that for today. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys next time with Thalia and this beautiful, gorgeous Lusitano. Bye!